Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extraordinary.
So, as you saw on the title, today I'm doing a Heritage Day inspired look. I just made sure that I just have my doek on, which just complements the theme of the video. We're celebrating heritage in South Africa on the 24th of September, and today is not Heritage Day, but I'm just giving you guys ideas of how you can do your makeup, and this is how the makeup came out. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want to share this video, please do give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and please comment down below and tell me what you guys thought about this makeup look and how I achieved it. And if you have any questions about the products that I used, you can definitely just ask down below. I'm not sure if people still look through the description box, but if you do and want to know what products I used, just tell me and I'll be gladly to edit my description box for you guys so that you get the products. And yeah, let's get into this look. Thank you for watching. So I'm just going to do my makeup as I go, and I'll tell you the colors and the products that I use, of course. So because now I'm just going to do my eyeshadow first, I just decided to give you an up close and personal view. So the first color that I'm going to use is the brown, and I'm just going to put it there in my crease. If you saw my last video, you'd know that how to blend and how to create a seamless look for your eyeshadows. So the first color, of course, it's brown, and it's a transition color, and that's what I'm using right now. So for this video, like I said, it's going to be Heritage Day inspired look. So yeah, it's not paddy, but it's a cloth that has like an African kind of feel. So that's what I'm going to be wearing. The second color I'm going to use is orange, and I'm going to put it right there in the front part of my eye. Like I was saying, South Africa is known as a rainbow nation because we have so many cultures, traditions, like we have a lot of things going on. Languages, we have 9 official languages. Those languages in the country are Zulu, Xhosa, Indebele, and those 3 are actually Nguni languages. And then we have Pedi and Tswana, which are very similar. Yeah, and then we have Khoisan. I think we forget the Khoisan people, because if you guys remember, there's a Zulu on my stoop. Those seemed like, if I'm not wrong, I don't know a lot about it, so correct me if I'm wrong anywhere, and let's help each other understand our cultures. So the Khoisan people, I think they originated there in the Cape, and if you don't know what a Khoisan is, I think you should just watch There's a Zulu on my stoop, and maybe you'll see what I'm talking about. So we have also the Khoisan, we have English, Afrikaner, of course we have Muslims, Hindus and all that, but I don't see a lot of their cultures displayed like anywhere on Heritage Day. But yeah, anyways, as I was saying, we have also the Sotho, which are usually based in, of course, Lesotho, which is a country inside of South Africa. So they are the Sothos, and a lot of them are in what's this, Bloemfontein. So yeah, we have the Sothos, the Tsonga, the Swatis, and the Swatis are also, it's a country also in South Africa, but it's on the far end, and usually a lot of Swati people are in Mpumalanga. Yeah, although they are scattered everywhere in the country, but I think the majority are in Mpumalanga. So again, we have vendors, and I think I mentioned all of them. If not, I think I'll just add some to the list if I'm not wrong. We have also, on this day, we usually braai, and we braai meat, we just celebrate a day. And I feel like that's a day that parents, grandparents should, or guardians, they should educate their kids about their tradition, where they come from, you know. So on a day where corona is not in our midst, we have like a heritage day at church, and all cultures, like foreign cultures, put on that, and it's so nice. They put on the attire, and it's so colorful in church. We have the Nigerians, we have what's this, Zimbabweans, Malawi, Ghana, like we have the whole of Africa in the church, like Ethiopia, Kenya, and it's beautiful in church. We see kids recite with their own languages, and it's so amazing. So this video is not going as I thought. I had things in mind that I wanted to say, but here we are. But yeah, I just wanted to celebrate Heritage Day, and you know, just give out information about South African what's this, heritage. And that's the reason I decided to go so bright and colorful with the eyeshadows, because we are a rainbow nation. I don't want to have all the rainbow colors in my eyeshadow, because now it's going to take longer than I thought, and I wanted it to be short. So yeah, we have all these beautiful traditions, cultures, belief. We are very diverse in South Africa. It's the most, I think, colorful country, and one culture that is very colorful. Let me not say one. Let me say all the cultures in Limpopo, like the northern province as it was called before. All the culture, like when I'm thinking about the attire, it's very colorful. Pedi people are very colorful. I'll find pictures for you guys so you can see what I'm talking about. I just plug them there. Pedi people, the Pedi attire, the ones that brides and grooms wear, it's very colorful. Venda too is also very colorful, and Tsonga as well. So I was just thinking about Tsonga people when I was thinking about how colorful we are, because they are very colorful in their attire. And then they wear this huge skirt called Shibelani, which is heavy from what I've been told. I don't know if you guys have heard the Metro FM adverts where the presenters recite their, what is that called? I forgot. They recite that, it's not that totems, something along those lines. So I've heard, I'm not trying to bash anyone, but one of the DJs there, I think they should just take it off, because I don't know if he's trying to embarrass himself or what, but who's that DJ? He talks, let me not say anything because it will seem like I'm bashing the guy, but every time I hear it coming on, I just want to switch off I actually switch off the radio, because I feel so embarrassed for him. My favorite one is, of course, Lerato's Khanyagos. Not only because she's gorgeous, but also because she's Betty. And she says it so flawlessly. Oh my gosh. It's, if you haven't heard it, guys, I think you should listen to Metro FM, or I don't know where else you guys can hear it, or maybe ask on Instagram to say it again, because guys, it's satisfying the way she knows and recites it. It's so amazing. So I'm just going to apply my favorite brand. Oh my gosh, guys, I think I raved about this on the other video that I did. This brand is so amazing and it's so affordable. So as I was saying, what was I saying? I don't remember. So yeah, let's celebrate our traditions, our cultures. Let's not discriminate against each other. I think discrimination is actually, it comes from people who don't understand. There are times where I also discriminate only because I lack knowledge about that particular issue. Let's try and educate ourselves about all the cultures, the traditions, the beliefs, or different cultures. Yeah, let's try and understand each other so that we don't discriminate against each other. We are not rude toward other people just because we lack to understand where they are coming from. So yes, with that being said, let me go change so we can get this video done. So I'm back and I'm done with the final look. It looks like I'm not wearing anything, but I'm actually wearing my dress, which doesn't complement the look. But this is the final look, guys. I hope you like it, you enjoyed this video. I know I was all over the place. I apologize. I haven't really put much effort into research about this topic, but I'll do better next time. And tell me what other videos you want to see so that I can do it for you guys. I appreciate every single one of you. I'm slowly growing and it's all because of you guys, and I appreciate you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, if you like how this makeup look came out, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and also comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. And I love you guys. See you in my next one. Bye.